Quora marketing, one of the very important and quite a popular topic among the people who are trying to establish themselves as thought leaders. Why we are talking about Quora marketing today? Because it is something which you must know as one of the brand growth tactics. Yes, it is time that we start working on leveraging the Quora profiles. Why? Before we get started, Quora is an American question and answer website wherein it allows people to create profiles and take questions and answers across the World Wide Web. So if you have a profile on Quora, you can actually question people and ask them questions from across the globe and get an insight on whatever you wish to know and explore. Why Quora is important in the present time? Because it has got 300 million monthly active users. It also has got a very high search visibility. So Quora is helpful in brand awareness because the search visibility is really high, and that's why it is time that we leverage our Quora marketing. Also, Quora allows to edit and update all the previous questions and answers that we have created. So that means when you are working on Quora to establish your thought leadership, it always allows you to update and upgrade your answer, update your feed, so that your content is always updated and fresh. So that's a win for anybody who believes in creating good and authentic content. Quora is also very powerful in allowing you to create brand advocates. How? When you start creating content on Quora and you start winning followers, when people upvote your answer or share your views, so they start becoming your brand advocates. It could be a personal brand or it also can be a business profile on Quora. But the idea is that we start leveraging the Quora marketing. And these are the benefits why we must be there. Now the question comes how and what we should do on Quora, because a lot of people who interacted with me last thing when I did a video on Quora marketing just went there and created the profile, which is probably the easiest thing to do in present times, because we all have a smartphone. We all can just get the app at a click and it's done. But that is not enough. To leverage Quora marketing, there are some things which you must always keep in mind. So to start with, you should have an excellent bio. So make it detailed, let the person understand and know what who you are and what is your profile like, what is your work profile like, what is your forte, and for what kind of topics and subjects you can be looked up to. So have an excellent and detailed bio on Quora. Make sure it is there. Also, try and catch the algorithm by following the relevant topics. So, for example, if I am I am a brand marketer, a brand strategist, I run a branding agency. So, Quora allows me to find out the right kind of topics which I am keen on following. So, at one point, on my Quora profile, I talk about branding. At the same time, I also talk about entrepreneurship, as I love working with startups and I have my own journey to talk about entrepreneurship and startup businesses. So same way you can actually pick the right topics to get the right kind of visibility through Quora algorithm. Secondly, you should always choose topic that fit your business. So, for example, one of my topmost or top visited answers on Quora is about brand naming, because anybody and everybody who is running a business, whether it is they are coming from the traditional side of business or they are the startup enthusiast or someone who is trying to be a solopreneur by creating a brand is looking for answers around brand naming. What could be the right choice for a brand name? What should be the checks around brand name? So that is one topic that of course lifts my business at it, and it is also something which I have an expertise on. So that way you can choose topics which actually help you lift your business. So, for example, if you are an expert on space styling, you can pick topics around interior decoration or furnishings or color psychology and things like that, which establishes you as a influencer or as somebody who can be looked upon for a certain related query, which is very much in and around business. Then another thing which you can do to leverage Quora marketing is find out the answers with maximum upvotes. Try and create some engagement around it. Understand the psychology of the people visiting that question, and what are the kind of answers and interactions that are getting maximum traction. Engage with such profiles, and you will see that your profile also gets more visibility. But at the same time, always take new questions, because when you take new questions, you are actually creating a lot of visibility around your own topics, your own style of work. So always take new questions. It helps you in leveraging your Quora profile. Once you have done that, you should also always focus on creating a space of your own. That is, ask questions, engage with the audience. It is not a forum, but it is always about interacting and engaging with the like-minded people who believe in the similar kind of subjects and who indulge into beneficial Q&A on Quora. So that is something you should always do. So that is also a way to show passion for a topic, because it is not a Q&A format thing that we are following up there, because that can very much be handled through an FAQ page on your website. But we are using Quora for thought leadership, to establish ourselves as somebody in that sphere. So we should always show passion towards the answers, and for that we need to interact with the people. Like for example, look at the profiles like the Intelligent Investor, or look at the profiles like the Marketing Hub, or Mr. Puneet Gupta from Astro Talk. So see the kind of engagement and thought leadership they have established by leveraging their Quora marketing. So you need to show passion for the certain topics that you are following and the algorithm that you are trying to tap. Always be authentic in your answers. So by authentic, I mean give answers where you can use examples. So use a lot of examples, the real-time case studies where you actually help the brand or help the business if you are a service provider, or take them through the story of your product, right? So give examples and make your Quora answers very, very authentic at the same time. These are the points which you must keep in your mind to leverage your Quora marketing. Additionally, always review the analytics. So Quora actually offers us the option to review analytics on weekly, monthly, and even annual basis. So that is, I somehow feel that is a very good way, because it helps you understand and analyze the impact of your participation on Quora. So we have seen a growth of up to 10k impressions and followers up to 3k in a month's time with an average kind of activity, wherein we are not fueling Quora with a lot of content on everyday basis, but wherein we are actually conversing with people on the topics which are really, really relevant and close to what we are trying to establish. So, as I conclude this video, try to get a hunch on what you would like to be as a thought leader, and explore Quora and just follow the pointers which I have shared with you. And I'm super confident that with this you can leverage your Quora profile. And this is a very, very recommended brand growth idea for you all who are there to establish themselves as brand leaders, as brands, as thought leaders, and even the freelancers. So enjoy Quora marketing, and I will be back with new brand growth ideas soon. Until then, happy branding.